Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. Today we are going to be talking about the ordinary skincare glycolic acid 7% toning solution. Now, I have to let you guys know that before trying this toning solution, the glycolic acid toning solution, I gave it a try to Pixi Skin Treat Glow Tonic 5% glycolic acid. Now, as you guys can see, this glycolic acid is 7%, which is a little bit higher than the Pixi Glow Tonic. And the full size of this product comes in 8 ounces, which is 240 milligrams. Oh my goodness, can you guys see the size difference? That is insane. The Ordinary says that when you start using this product, you are gonna see that you will notice the radiance on your skin. It's gonna give a clarity to your complexion, and it improves your skin texture as well. One of the main things that glycolic acid does to your skin is improving the texture of your skin, and it also gives a radiance at the same time. So when the texture of your skin improves, of course it's gonna look radiant and clear. Yes, the pH level of this glycolic acid is 3.6. Our skin's pH level usually lays between 5.5 to 6. The surface of our skin is already acidic. That's why you should not be too afraid of using acids on the skin. A little bit stronger acids than your own skin's acid. Usually it helps with the problems, the texture of your skin. It helps with the fine lines. It helps with the, the dark spots. It has a lot of benefits using the acids, but you have to be careful, the strength of an acid and also the capacity, if it makes any sense. This glycolic acid is infused with the amino acids, aloe vera, ginseng, Tasmanian pepperberry. When I heard about the Tasmanian pepperberry, I was like, what? How does it look like? And this is how it looks like. Tasmanian pepperberry reduces the irritation that is associated with acids. A lot of people experience, irritations once they start using the acids. So they have used the Tasmanian pepperberry to, reduce the irritation and to soothe the skin. Aloe vera and of course the amino acids and ginseng are gonna help with the soothing process. Fragrance of the product is not as strong as the Pixi Glow Tonic. When you smell the Pixi Glow Tonic, you are gonna, just as soon as you open the bottle, the fragrance hits your nose. I don't know what it is, but it's just very strong and pungent fragrance. And they do recommend using it only in the PM, only in the evening. When you want to use glycolic acid, use it only in the evening, please. The glycolic acid improves the skin sensitivity to the UV rays. And when you start using this product, you have to start wearing sunscreen. You have to anyway. When it comes to seeing the immediate result, I have to be honest, I saw immediate result with the Pixi Glow Tonic. I saw that my skin was clearer, it was smoother, and my makeup applied, smoother and, easier as well on my skin. But when I started using this one, I did not see that much of an immediate result on my skin. Something that I have also noticed, by the way, about this product, as soon as I applied it, I did not see a tingling sensation like immediately. It took about like 30 seconds for me to really see the, it doing the job on my skin. So I don't know. Considering how it's gentle on the skin and also them using, so many amino acids like soothing ingredients like aloe vera, ginseng, Tasmanian pepperberry, I think it is a decent product. If you do have an oily skin, I can also recommend you switching to this the 7% instead of the 5%. Comparing these two, when it comes to the results, this one won for me. But when it comes to the price tag and also how much product that you're gonna get for the price that you pay, I think this is the one that you want to go for. If you have never tried glycolic acid before, try this one. I think it's really worth the price tag, and it is a very, very good glycolic acid toning solution. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's all I wanted to share with you guys in this video. Thumbs up the video if you like it. I am posting videos 4 times a week now. If you have not heard it in my previous video, I want to mention it again and again. 4 times a week, Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 9:30 with Hawaiian time. I'll be there for you with the fresh video every single time. And also subscribe if you're new to my channel. You're gonna love the channel if you are into skincare and also beauty as well. Alright guys, have a great day and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye guys.